why did you choose to build this product?
Because we thought the scope of this product is fair enough to accommodate in 5 days, and the requirement was there from HR as well, that they are looking for something product. So we thought, why not, we can take this.
Okay. Tell me about the challenges that you faced while organizing this event.
Yeah, the challenges, the few challenges are, the everyone in the team is not familiar with each other earlier, and so we gathered together and we discussed. Then we got to know each and every personality, and we built a team.
Okay.
Also, we don't know what other team is working and what information we will get from them. So we need to coordinate with other teams as well. So this is most of the coordination activity we had to do, and those were the challenges
Okay.
we faced.